Effective network design is pivotal for cybersecurity. Choosing the right topology can enhance security by enabling segmentation and isolation for sensitive areas, while redundancy ensures network resilience against attacks and failure. Here's the sample of the best way to set up network devices and topology. We have core switch, then we have two provider internet, for example, internet 1 and internet 2, then it is the HR department, finance department, then access point, DMC, then VPN server and guest network. It's all connected in core switch. We've covered a broad range of topics from understanding essential network devices like routers, switches, and firewalls to exploring different network topologies and the basic of wireless networking. Integrating this concept is crucial for building and securing robust network infrastructures.